Hi everyone, Darko here for your weekly video. Hope you had a great weekend. In today's video, I will show you actually an actual pending order that we have in the market right now. So rather than just showing you what we did in the past, I rather show you what we have planned for the future. Okay, so this is Euro Yen, and like I said, we have a pending order. Let me talk you through this trade. Okay, this is the monthly chart, and we all see that price made a double bottom. And then we made a higher high, higher close. Price comes down. Where do we come down to? We come down to perfectly to this level of support, and we are continuing to the upside. If you look left, we have a double neckline in here, and price breached that level. This is my daily chart, and I see that price breached that level, came down. Okay, unfortunately, we did not came down to this level. Price clearly broke that level. Okay, we have some background space. So this is a pending order. This is the entry. This is the stop loss. Obviously, we are front running the entry. We are also front running the stop loss. Okay, and this is what I call a hands off. That means no trade management required. So what I mean by that is, like, this is your 4-hour chart. If price comes down into this level, price could do this and then come down, do this. Okay, at some point we will be leaving this area. Once we leave this area, that's the time when we risk reduce. Okay, because let me ask you this: how many times have you moved your stop loss close to the previous swing, only to see getting stopped out to the pip, and then price goes in your direction without you in it? Okay, if you haven't listened to my last podcast episode, let me tell you this: you have to. Okay, life forced me to take a step back and do some heavy back testing 24/7 to find an approach that is suitable for the market condition we are right now, and probably for the forever. And this approach, my goal is to spend, I'm a lead coach, so I need to spend 2 to 3 hours each day to do my analysis, recording stuff. But if you are not a coach, you are only trading your own account, I would say I need 60 minutes from you. Okay, that is including watching my PMA. My PMA is around 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, and then do your own analysis and put these orders in that makes sense to you. 60 minutes a day, that's all that is required. You don't need to spend any more than 60 minutes. Okay, and when I say 60 minutes, that means you need to have a pure understanding of what I'm doing. So in the beginning, you need to understand what I'm doing. Once you do, and you have a pure understanding of my trading approach, you need 1 hour. Okay, you can have a full-time job, you can have two jobs, whatever obligations you have. You don't need to sit in front of your computer. Okay, so trades like this, there's no, this leaving this area could take like 8 hours, could take like 2 days, 3 days. We have no idea. When you come back from work, or when you are around, like every 7, 8, 9 hours, whatever that might be, have a look. What is price doing? Okay, or maybe just maybe you take a full loss. Well, you risk 0.5% of your account. There is enough potential, like from here to here. Obviously when price make a double top, take something off, okay, and then hit save it for the final target. Enough made to be paid. And this is the type of trades when you easily make 3 to 1, okay, 5 to 1, best case 10 to 1. Okay, so that's more like the latest approach that I'm focusing on, and we are in a couple of trades right now that is working in our direction. So let's see how things goes. This is a pending order, and actually, if this monthly candle closes bullish, which is like next Tuesday, if this closes bullish, then this signal becomes even stronger. Okay, that's it. And like I said, make sure that you listen to my last podcast episode. And if you haven't listened to the previous episodes, I highly recommend you doing it because it will probably save you a fortune. Let me know what you think about this video by giving a thumbs up if you like it. If not, no worries. Have a great trading week, and until next time, stay safe and take care. Cheers.